morning. And we've got Raymond. Morning, everybody. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh. 2 shovels on 1 pull, mate. Wow. 2 shovels on one. Oh, and we got a penny. We got a penny. We got a penny, 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 penny. I'll win, Ray. We found. Oh. Oh, wow. So that there, it's an offering. Yeah. So it would have hung up like that. Yeah. And it's a little, little god in there. Yeah. Oh wow. Whoop. Huh. A scissor. Half a scissor. Oh, I saw that. There's a scooter down there somewhere. There it is. Hey, scooter. I ain't riding that one. Oh, yeah. Bit busted. How you doing, mate?
I think it's a bit heavy.
Yeah? Oh, it's a cannon.
Right, yeah, actually it's just, can you see it?
Yeah, I might be able to grab it. Oh, now I've got to tip it out. Oh. There you go, mate.
Not again.
Another street cannon. They must waste a lot of money on these round here.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice. Oh, wow.
That's a flywheel.
Is it?
Yeah.
What, for a lorry or something? Because it's bigger than a car, isn't it?
No, it can be a car.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Looks like somebody's been here before. There's a bolt.
Oh, yeah. Bits and pieces on the floor, isn't there?
Oh, well, at least that's it.
Nice. Oh, my turn to get a scaffold bar. Oh, what's that? That's some sort of canister. An old CO2 canister. Nice. Oh, it's a ding ding! And a pipe joiner. What you found, mate? Oh, now that's a ding ding.
Yeah.
What's that?
Looks like it's like when I say a railing topper.
Oh yeah,
you know,
like a fence topper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Oh, I spy with my little eye. Is that half a cash box? It is. It's half a cash box. Nice. Oh, I saw something on there. Oh, look at that. Nice cheese knife. That's pretty cool. Cheese knife. Bit of rubbish. Oh, got terminals on it. Copper terminals. Don't know what that would have been. And a doopy. Nice. Yuck. That splattered all up me. All for a 2p. So what you got this time, mate?
Chimney.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Normally we get the toppers.
Yeah. Go with the toppers.
Nice find. Now I know there was half a cash box down here. Where's the other half of that cash box? I did see it. Oh, there it is. And that's... Is that the half of that cash box or is that another half? A bar going through that bit. Is that... I don't know, maybe that's... I reckon that's the second half, you know, a different half. Wow. Alright, let's see if we can find the other ones. Oh, very nice. Oh, one for the collection. Lovely.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh. Wow. So what's that, everybody? Bit of a weird shaped bracket, bolt on there. Looks like some sort of gate bracket, hinge. Maybe something went on there and pivoted round. Huh, funky. Oh wow, okay. I'm gonna need some help. Anyway, it's fairly complicated. Just spent 10 minutes getting me off the side. It won't pull up, it's stuck in the mud, but it will shift a little bit that way. There's something else on here what's jamming into the side underneath. Look, watch. As I pull it up, there's another pole just there, look. Whether it's the same thing or not, I don't know.
It's the same thing.
Oh. No, it's not, because that's moving independently. It's sort of going off in that direction.
Yeah.
I'm moving it. I've just moved it about a foot.
Again.
It wants to. I'm wondering if I get my magnet in and go across here, it might help it. I don't know. Oh, I can see it actually. I can follow it down. Yeah. Oh. The end of it's over here, mate. Oh. Oh, careful. Right, we've had a couple of minutes break. Should we try and get this pole out?
Yeah.
And
oh yeah.
do you fancy grabbing hold of the pole next time and not my arm? There's 3.
Right.
4. 1, 2, 3, and a scaffold bar. It doesn't help that it's got all weird stuff on it.
Right.
Right, that one's out. This one might come out. It's out. See how long this is? It starts here, goes all the way up to where Ray is, and then round the corner. And there's still another one in there. Oh, right, are we ready for number 3? So whether this is going to come out the same way, I don't know.
Right.
On.
Can you see that?
Oh. I'm coming. There you go. Oh, number 3 out.
Oh, you got it.
No, this one's out. It's just a magnet.
Oh, okay. That 48 foot.
48 foot.
Yeah.
And there's 3 of them. Is that quite possibly one of the longest things we've pulled out?
Yeah.
Yes! Oh. Oh, he's actually catching fish. Oh, that's a big one.
I thought it was a real one.
No, it's a fishing lure.
And a fork.
And a fork. Cool, that is an awesome find, man. Raymond? Horse.
Please don't leave all the rubbish along here.
Yeah, oh no, we don't leave it, we take it with us.
Thank you. I don't want you to be
No, we
out.
YouTube and so we can't be seen to be leaving it around.
I don't want you fishing me out of there.
Oh yeah.
And him.
Can I say hello?
Of course you can.
Is that alright? Oh, very rarely do I see a horsey on my travels. Hello.
This is
Wow.
This is Bobby.
Bobby. You look lovely. Oh,
How many hands is it?
are you
about 16,
beautiful?
16.
Yeah.
My word.
Oh,
But, when people leave rubbish along here, it's a bit of a
We've-
challenge.
we've been picking up other people's
yeah,
as well.
Well done.
Wow, you're beautiful, you are.
Because I have to have a big nose
Are
on
you
you.
beautiful? Oh,
And dogs are going to move. Nice
cool.
to meet you.
Lovely, thanks for stopping. Wow. Pipe joiner and bits of rebar. Bit off the side. God, look at that lump. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's a fire extinguisher. Get off! Oh. There we go. A fire extinguisher. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. There you go, it's a BT cash box. Well done. I think the trick is to get it up onto a corner. But there was something else on there as well, it dropped off. Alright. Oh. That was it, that was what I saw.
Okay. Oh, we've got a computer.
There you go.
Yeah.
You're in a tech now, mate.
It's a master. My hard drive's not working nowadays.
No, it's a bit waterlogged.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a wing mirror off a car. Oh, there's something down there. Oh, there we go. Fence spike for Ray. Oh, look at that! Oh, nice.
Beauty. Nice.
That's pretty cool, that, isn't it? That's a cool find.
Nice one, that.
It is, isn't it? Oh, oh.
You alright, yeah? Is it on YouTube?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'll give you a card. You never know.
Yeah. Alright,
Hey, man.
thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Okay.
Well, that's a bit of a weird one. So all this stuff has clearly been hit by boats, so it's good to get it out. What you found? Oh, you beauty! Oh, nice one.
Shame about the handle.
Yeah. But it's a shorter that side
Yeah.
than it is that side. Nice. Very nice. Oh, wow. Not what you want to find. Pushchair. That's the second one today. There's one over by that wall up there.
Yeah.
There you go. Gillian, present for you. Oh, and a penny, got a penny, and a ding ding, awesome. Oh, wow. Bit of rebar. Oh, scaff clamp. Oh, is that what they call a flange? Oh, awesome. I got me a flange. Oh, wow, okay. Bits of wire and bit of cable and another bit of siding. I found the other half, mate. We got a pair between us.
Alright.
Oh, morning, Pin. Oh, I felt that. Whoa. That's a nice one. Locking mechanism's broken. Browning. It's Browning. Oh, wow. More bits of tools. What you found, mate?
Well, it's a Humbo Jumbo.
Oh, wow. So it's a bag with bits, tools and stuff.
That's a socket.
Yeah. You've got a screwdriver. It's turned sideways.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And then that's ball joint or something.
Spark plug and some rubber rings.
Another spark plug.
Bit of tube. This is somebody's maintenance bag, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, massive socket,
Yeah.
tyre iron thing. Oh, got another penny. Oh, great big lump. Oh, here we go. Grapple. Oh, lovely. Ah! Ah, got it properly now. There we go. Got ourselves a scooter. So that's one that's got to be called in. Nice. Oh. Oh. It had to be full up with stuff, didn't it? Oh man. 3 shovels I've had out of here now. Took me a few minutes to get that out of the silt. Whoop. That can come out.
Right, Dave.
What you found?
Well, this is a bit of bar,
Yeah.
a nut, but this is going to be another good one.
Oh, look at that. Yoink. Oh, sweet. That's cool. Right, so here's my card. Adventures with Sonic with a K. There's my website. And on this side, that one goes straight to the website and that one straight to YouTube.
Okay. Well,
Oh, sweet. There we go. And that's how easy it is. Oh, brilliant.
thank you.
All right, well, you don't need a card, but if you take one anyway and you find somebody else to give it to, it means we get a little bit more
Yeah,
out
of
there.
course.
That's fantastic.
Thank you,
Thank
mate.
you very much. Oh. That's the second one of them I've had. Oh, another knife. Butter knife.
Okay.
To go with your fork. Oh wow. Another humongous bolt to add to the collection. Oh, another metal plate. Well, I saw a penny on there as well. Oh yeah, 2p. Hey! Oh! Another knife. That one's a carpet cutter.
Yeah.
Wow. Finding loads of tools. Oh blimey. What we got here?
A big side or something.
Right, if I get my magnet on the other end, then we'll pull it up and then we'll get yours off. If you pull your magnet at the same time, it might come off. Yes. There you go. Oh, lump of steel. Oh, there we go. Another one of them bolts and a pipe joiner, scaffolding. There's another bit. These curly whirly bits of metal, we must have had about 20 of these. I'm getting a bit annoyed with them. Got a big pile of them over there. Oh no. Another one. Oh no. Yuck. I'm getting filthy here. There you go, scaffolding foot and a bit of rebar. Yay, what have we got? We got a scaffolding clamp. Oh. Some nails and bits and pieces. Oh, oh my word. Whoa. Petrol tank. Oh. Oh my word. Another computer. We've got all this stuff out here. It's amazing. We've had scooters, we've had shovels and tools, we've got so much rebar out, and a smashed up computer, and massive long bars. A hell of a cutting up job.
Oh, you're not kidding.
Oh yeah. Morning. You alright?
Scrap heap challenge.
Yeah, pretty much. All this come out of the river.
Oh really?
Yeah. That one straight to your website and that one straight to YouTube.
Beautiful. Oh,
Cool. Thanks very much. Thank you. I reckon you'll have the easiest job. If I'm up there, all you need to do is grab the magnet, wave it over this pile and then go, yep. I'm the one pulling it up and taking everything off.
Yeah, lads, you've been busy, haven't you?
Oh yeah. All this yeah. All that.
no way.
All of that. Yeah. We've already cut half of it up.
No way.
Motorbike there, that's super.
We're on YouTube.
Let's have a nose
And
at
that's
you.
Adventures with Sonic with a K.
Yep.
With a magnet and a grapple, just pulled it up the bridge. Look at the state of it. I'm bushed. Thanks very much for joining. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye. Morning. Thanks for joining. Fancy watching another one? Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell, ding ding, so that you get notified of new videos. And also, come and join us on Monday Night Lives, 8 PM. We've got news, giveaways and a good time.